So if you have bubbles under your paint, just like these, grind them off immediately, else you will be ending up with something like this. Yep, I waited for 2 years, 3 years to fix it, and suddenly, all of a sudden, this is what we're dealing with. Grind it off, treat it with anti-rust. If necessary, make a little hole. I need to make a little bit of a bigger hole, and weld a piece of sheet metal in, and you'll be good to go. Treat it right from the inside and from the outside, else you'll end up with a rusty piece again, and the camera will not focus. Prevent your hole. And you can see, damn it, focus. You can see how weak the metal is here, so I'm gonna cut just about over here where the good metal still is living. Have a good day. Take some parts off as much as you can, and let's see what we have here. Yeah, looks like an underlying problem that goes just right about there. Focus, and of course always wanna make sure everything is clean. And good that we did it, because what do we see here? Aha! This is a problem for the future, a problem in the making. Some dirty earth point. So yep, never hurts to take something off extra. You might spot a leak a little bit, or dirty earths, or stupid camera. Or you might spot some leaks, you never know. It's yeah, it never hurts to take some body work off, and have a good look, have a good scrub, clean all the contact points, and maybe you'll spot a leaky shock or a brake that's not functioning right, a little bit of red on your brake disc, or yeah, you never know. So have fun, stay dirty. Yeah. Hey! And yep, some anti-rust. You press cardboard or a piece of paper against it at the edges of the anti-rust. The edges will draw some lines, and then you cut it out, and you make sure it's a perfect fit. Find a piece of metal, sheet metal. This is a side plate of a computer, of a desktop computer. We will now make a line around this area. We could use a marker, or we could use a scratch needle, or use something else. I saw that this leftover piece here just has the right, almost the right shape, so we just need to cut out a little bit over here and over here. Alright, let's cut it. And there we go. Aha! Let's try if it fits, if the camera will focus. So you could use a grinder, you could use the special tool here that my father produced. Pretty cool, with a valve, grind it down on an extra little pulley. Yeah, works pretty good stuff. Yep, let's try it out. And finally, we need to massage it in there. So grind a little bit of the core where you need to, and you will try to make this fit. So actually, you can make it fit that it's yeah. I didn't weld it yet, but it fits nicely in there. So now the plan is to give it some nice spot welds and then massage it further into the core. But yeah, you have to make sure first that the plate can enter in the hole. So yeah, as you can see, fits pretty nice, and where there's a little gap, we'll weld it up. It will be no problem. So let's do that. And of course, clean everything first with some shop air, so we don't have little pieces of steel laying around and causing rust problems.